Catherine Bernardo update. Yan ay story ni Catherine. Nagluto pa nga siya ng sinigang ala Catherine. Ayan, sarap umigop ng sabaw, may init. Sarap yan luto ni Catherine. Saka ito pa. And ang dami pa nga niya pinamili. And nag-shopping si Catherine sa Popmart PH. And nag-unbox pa nga si Catherine. Ito yung video.
Oh my gosh! Cute.
Ang dami niya pinamili.
Okay, Rox, pull now. Ay,
Laki yan. Nakabox pa. May pa-flowers pa nga ang KitKat kay Catherine at may kasama pang message. Ito yung message ng KitKat kay Catherine. And Kat, I love you pero I don't love you. Levelan na nga natin. Hashtag level your love with KitKat. Mapa-besties, cutie pie or secrets crush pa yan. We have the perfect gifts for everyone you love this Valentine's Day. Share this with your loved ones. Just don't forget to enjoy for yourself too. Love your KitKat besties. Ayan ang message ng KitKat kay Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.